Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to Fun with Social. In the first session, we learned about explorers, explorations. In the sense, going to a new place, finding about that new place. In the second session, very interesting thing we are going to learn. Now you are studying 4th standard, right? Earlier, I mean 3rd standard, 2nd standard, 1st standard, even in UKG, even in your pre-primary, you have come across early human beings, right? Okay. Today we are going to learn about an interesting things which they discovered. Okay. I will show you one thing. Okay. See this. What is this, children? What is burning here? This is called fire. What is this, children? Fire. Who discovered this? Who discovered this? Here the discovery means finding or learning about a place or an object for the first time. Finding about an information, a place or an object that already exists but no one knows. Otherwise, finding or learning about something that no one knows about is called a discovery. Okay. So, the early human beings discovered fire. Discovery. Finding or learning about a place, object or any information for the first time is called a discovery. What is that? Discovery. So, in the first session we learned about explorations, and in the second session we are going to learn about discoveries. Okay. For example, one of the most important discoveries made by early human being was fire. Just now we discussed and I have shown you how was the fire. Regularly we use in cooking. Okay, in your kitchen, your mom, when she cooks, you can see that flames. Okay. Uh, uh, and one more discovery we would like to discuss is Charaka. Who was Charaka, children? Charaka was a very learned man from ancient India. Charaka Samhita. He discovered many medicines. He was the first person to tell us about the hygienic, how to be very clean, how to digest our food, what type of food to take. So Charaka discovered about the importance of cleanliness. He discovered the importance of cleanliness for proper digestion and good health. Who was a Charaka? So here two discoveries we learned. One is fire and the second one is Charaka, who discovered about the importance of cleanliness and for the good digestion of the food. And he is also known as, Charaka was also known as the father of medicine in India. He was also called as the father of medicine in India. Okay, few more examples are like Aryabhatta, who discovered zero. He was an Indian. Okay, in India, so many discoveries happened. So many great people discovered many things. Okay, children. So, in this way, see, in the first session, I asked you why can't you become an explorer? Now, why can't you discover something? Regularly, teacher, lawyer, doctor, engineer, scientist. Now, you also can discover something which the world doesn't know till now. Okay, children, in this way you can discover many things. For example, now for the corona, the world is seeking for a person who discover a medicine and vaccine for corona. Why can't you people discover in the future? Why can't many other doctors discover? So it will become one of the greatest discoveries in this 21st century if a person discover a medicine or a vaccine for corona. Okay, children. So in this way you can discover something. Okay, so finding or learning about a place or an object or a thing which doesn't know by anybody till now is called a discovery. So today we learned a new word called discovery. 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 Okay, and we learned 3 examples. What are those? Fire is a discovery, and the Charaka Samhita. The Charaka was also a doctor who discovered about the cleanliness and the hygienic. Okay, and Aryabhatta who discovered zero. 3 discoveries we learned today. Now your fun task. You have a fun task now. You write 2 or 3 more discoveries which you know. Your fun task is today you have to write 2 or 3 more discoveries. Actually we have number of discoveries in the world. You write only 2 or 3 enough. Okay children, thank you so much.